Coffee. Many of us know it, many of us love it. Despite that love, making coffee can be tedious. We have better things to do than sit around and pour coffee all day. It can also be confusing. We may be engineers, but there are too many ingredients in coffee for us to figure out. The order is tricky too. Which one goes first? And finally, making coffee can be dangerous. We need those hands for other things. Fear not, my friends, for there is a solution. The Auto Barista is an add-on for pod-based coffee makers that brings the luxury of having a personal barista to your kitchen. The Auto Barista is controlled via Bluetooth to provide a safe, non-complicated solution for making coffee drinks. But wait, didn't that title say Backwoods Barista? Due to personnel issues and a lack of access to a pod-based coffee maker, the Backwoods Barista was born. In many ways the spiritual successor of the Auto Barista, the Backwoods Barista is a rugged, purpose-built solution for creating coffee under demanding circumstances in remote locations. Able to go just about anywhere, the Backwoods Barista is specifically designed to handle intense off-roading conditions. A magnetized base keeps the Backwoods Barista firmly in place on rough roads. The electronics have been specially reinforced to handle vibrations. Since the Backwoods Barista only requires 12 volts, it is easy and convenient to power the device with jumper cables and a standard automotive battery. The Barista features color-coded leads for mistake-free hookups. With safety as an utmost priority, the design features a 5-amp replaceable fuse as well as a large on-off switch. Drinking vessels can be easily loaded by lifting this thermometer and positioning the container beneath the ingredient stream. Once the mug has been placed, the device settings can be accessed using the Adafruit Bluefruit Connect app. Here we can see a user changing the settings to make the perfect drink. He is choosing his ideal temperature and his ideal ingredient ratios. With settings updated, the user can begin the drink making process. The Barista features a state-of-the-art pour-over system to liberate the full flavor of the beans. The Barista quickly and efficiently adds ingredients to the drink, utilizing a pair of 12-volt diaphragm pumps. Here we can see the warnings provided to the user, letting them know that the drink is dangerously hot. If the drink falls below the target temperature, the user is notified. Here we see a block diagram of the system, followed by an electrical schematic. I learned a lot during the course of this project. Being forced to change the direction of the design when faced with evolving circumstances was difficult and frustrating, but it turned out to be enjoyable. I expanded my knowledge of CircuitPython as well as learning some of the limitations of the onboard sensors on the NRF. It turns out that the APDS9960 is extremely sensitive to moisture. I quickly destroyed this sensor as it was the only part of the NRF that I neglected to appropriately waterproof. The rest of the board was surprisingly resistant to the boiling water. Thank you for your attention. I will now take questions.